Welcome back to Veggie Gardening 101. Today, we're gearing up with the essential tools and supplies you need to get started. It can be tempting to buy every cool gadget, but you don't need to. We'll focus on the core items that make gardening easier and more successful. First, the undisputed champion of the garden, the hand trowel. Look for one with a comfortable handle that's forged from a single piece of metal. Next is its best friend, the hand fork or cultivator. Perfect for breaking up compacted soil and gently pulling up tough weeds. You'll also need a good pair of pruning shears or secateurs. I recommend bypass pruners, which make cleaner cuts like scissors. And finally, a good pair of gloves. Nitrile-coated ones are great because they offer protection while still letting you feel what you're doing. If you have an in-ground or large raised bed, you'll need a few bigger tools. A sturdy spade or round point shovel is essential for digging larger areas, turning soil, and mixing in compost. A garden rake, not a leaf rake, is key for leveling the soil surface after digging and breaking up any large clumps before you plant. For watering, you need a watering can with a rose on the spout for a gentle shower, or a hose with a nozzle that has multiple spray settings. A gentle shower setting is perfect for not blasting your plants away. And if you're moving bags of soil, compost, or mulch, a wheelbarrow will save your back. It's one of those tools you don't think you need until you really need it. Now for the most important supply, your growing medium. A critical rule for beginners is do not use soil from your backyard to fill pots or containers. It compacts easily, drains poorly, and can contain weed seeds and pests. Instead, buy the right bagged soil for the job. Potting mix is light and fluffy, designed specifically for containers. Raised bed mix is a blend meant to fill large beds. And garden soil is meant to be mixed into your existing soil for in-ground gardens. To give your garden a huge boost, amend your soil with compost. Think of compost as a superfood for your soil. It provides gentle nutrients, helps hold moisture, and improves drainage. It's pure black gold. Finally, it's a good idea to have a simple, all-purpose organic vegetable fertilizer on hand. Vegetables are heavy feeders, and they'll appreciate a little boost mid-season. We'll cover how and when to use this in a later episode. So, where will your plants live? You have two great options. Containers are perfect for beginners, especially if you're short on space. You can garden on a patio, balcony, or even a sunny windowsill. Just remember, drainage holes are a must to keep your plants happy. If you have a bit more room, raised beds are fantastic. They offer excellent drainage and save your back from bending. A simple trick: lay down cardboard as a natural weed barrier before filling your bed. Now, should you start with seeds or seedlings? Seeds are budget-friendly and offer tons of variety, but they need more care. Seedlings are a bit pricier, but give you a head start with established plants. For your first garden, I highly recommend starting with seedlings. Let's talk about a few optional extras that make gardening so much more enjoyable. First up, a kneeling pad. Trust me, your knees will thank you. And if you're out in the sun, a wide-brimmed hat is a must-have. Plant markers are a lifesaver. It's easy to forget what you planted where, so label everything. You can buy them or get creative and make your own from popsicle sticks. And my favorite tip, start a simple garden journal. Jot down what you planted, when you planted it, and how it's doing. This will be your secret weapon for becoming a better gardener year after year. Gardening doesn't have to be expensive. My biggest advice? Start with essentials, then expand. You don't need fancy gadgets. Look for used tools, DIY watering cans. And compost? That's free fertilizer. Simplicity is your best friend when starting out. That's it. You're ready to start your garden with confidence. Next episode, we'll prep your soil and beds. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. Your amazing garden journey is just beginning.